Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received July's Fruit for Thought. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, July Fruit for Thought just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Fruit for Thought, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So, you guys, let's go ahead and dive into July's box. I believe, if I remember correctly, this one's Mango, Tango, or something with mango, I do believe. I personally am not too hip on mango, just my own personal opinion. And the great thing about this box is you can technically see their themes 3 months in advance. They tell you 1 month here, but on their website will be the following 3 months. So technically you have 4 months in advance. So if there's ever a box that you're just doesn't tickle your fancy, you can go ahead and pause that one, or you can still get it and use it as a gift for somebody. So I'm still really excited to see what's going to be in here. Again, it's just not something that I absolutely love, but that's the great thing about this box. You can always pause. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what's going to be in here. I just love the way that they curate their box, how everything goes with the theme, the colors, that kind of thing. So I'm so excited to see what's inside. So there's the presentation to the inside of the box. You don't get a sneak peek at anything. So let's go ahead and see. Yes, Mango Tango is July's theme. August is Tropical Paradise. I cannot wait for October. I think October is pumpkin something or other. I will show you guys what the next 3 months are from their website, but I'm really excited for October. Let me just tell you. On the back of the card, we'll go over what is inside of the box and give you some more information. So let's dive in and see what's in the July Mango Tango box. So the first thing right on top, it says exotic fruit jellies, 6 pieces. This is mango. My man absolutely loves mango, so I'm sure he will love these, but I personally will not try them right now because, again, I just don't care for the taste. I think these are super cute. They're individually wrapped, and they come in this little cute box. So there's 6 individually wrapped mango gummies. Is that what they are? Jellies. Pretty much the same thing, but they are the jellies. This says, shipped all the way from Hawaii at Maui Fruit Jewels. Delicious exotic mango fruit jellies is like a divine fruit gummy candy for adults made from Hawaii grown fruits. That is really cool that this came all the way from Hawaii though. And that's one thing the owner definitely does find everywhere. I don't know how they find things to go with their theme, and some things are curated just for this particular box. So that's always exciting. So exotic fruit jellies is going to be the first item right there. So then the next item is going to be right here. I actually really do like this brand. There's another one that I really like. I forgot what fruit it is, but I really like this brand and I love any type of nuts. So I might share these with him because they sound really good. Even though I don't care for mango, it just might be some kind of like a little flavoring or something with the peanuts. So it probably won't be so overpowering of the flavor. But these right here say, Mango Tango almond nuts offer a quick 210 calorie snack for a delicious combo of almonds, peanuts, dried mango, banana chips, and spices. Gluten-free, non-GMO, kosher, and no artificial flavors. And again, I really do like these nuts, so that's exciting that it's in this box, especially if you are a mango lover. Now we have something in this little yellow pouch, and when we pull it out, what are you? You are a mango, what does it say? There's some little tiny writing. Mango lip scrub, I think that's what it says. I think it's a lip scrub. This right here says, add a little exotic flavor to your lip care routine with K&C Naturals Mango Lip Scrub. Removes dead skin from your lips to make them feel and appear softer, smoother, and more kissable. Use no more than 2 to 3 times a week and store it at room temperature. But there is a mango lip scrub and it's a good little size. I will go ahead and save this for one of you guys because I know my man won't use a lip scrub. I just know him. So I will save this for one of you guys to enjoy. So I'm going to put it right back down in this little pouch. That is super cute though. And I love a good lip scrub because we do need to take care of our lips. Now we have in here, oop, there's a lid. How cute. It's like a little tiny mason jar. It says mango plus peach. Okay, you add peach, I'm there. Ooh, that smells good. I'm smelling more of like the peach. I'm smelling like the peach. I think that's overpowering the mango a little bit in my senses, but it says pineapple, orange, mango, peach, coconut milk, and sugar. Hand poured soy candle summer collection, 1.5 ounce. This is so teeny tiny, but it's so cute in this little mason jar. That is adorable. It says, dip your toes in the sand and smell the tropical scents of ripe mangoes and creamy coconut milk with hints of pineapple and sweet peaches. At Collective Harmony Co., adorable mini mason jar candle is 100% soy wax and will burn for approximately 20 to 25 hours. In this little guy, that's crazy. And what I like to do is I like to let it, like once I start smelling things in the house, if they're smaller ones, I'll just turn it off, like stop burning it. So then I can wait a couple hours or the next day and burn some more when they're made for like smaller areas, that kind of thing. But I'm super excited to try this out and have my house smelling like that. That smells really, really good. So there's a little candle in the cutest little jar. Now we have, it says Breeze Mango Plus Rose. Okay, rose is one I definitely don't do with lavender. If you guys follow me, you know those two scents really, really give me a migraine and I don't want to do it. So this little guy I will save for one of you guys to enjoy. I love sharing with you guys anyway, so it's a win-win either way. It's Breeze Mango Plus Rose. It's a refresher mist. So like a little room spray. This is at Artful Scents. Refresher Mist is perfect for creating a relaxing environment at home, in your car, or wherever you need a refresher. We've included this Breeze scent, which is a blend of body-safe, non-toxic fine fragrance and essential oils in a refreshing mango rose scent. These mists come straight from Hawaii, and we would recommend checking out all of their amazing scent, mists, and candles. It does say shake first, so shake it up, and that's actually a really good thing. You can leave this in your car to use as a car air freshener. You can leave it in your bathroom as like a toiletry freshen upper, or you can just leave it anywhere and just spray any room or your entire house, whatever you would like. So I do think that that is really neat that this is in there. But with the rose, this is going to go to one of you guys. So let me go ahead and see what else is in here. It looks like there's one more item. Okay, so this says Lemon Poppy Ink. It's a mango slicer. So then you can cut mangoes. That is actually really neat. So I don't know. I'm going to see if he wants me to hang on to this in case he would like to have some mangoes and this would cut it. If not, this might go to one of you guys. But I'm going to check with him to see, since like I said, he likes mangoes. But it says remove the pit from a mango in one easy step. Slice stem off the mango. Place cut end down on cutting surface and push tool through the mango. Discard the pit and remove from the peeling to serve. Very, very simple, and it looks very easy. So it's a little one push down and you have it cut. So there's that. So this one right here says mangoes are delicious. Now they are easy to prepare too with at Lemon Poppy Ink. Must have mango slicer with stainless steel blades and one press of the handles. So again, this is a huge mango themed box. You have a mango slicer. You have this cute little mason jar peach mango scented candle that I'm super excited to try. You do have a room spray. Nope, you have a room spray. You have actual little individual mango jellies. You have a mango lip sugar scrub. And then you have this right here that you could try some nuts and mango as well. So that is really neat. So what did you guys think of this Mango Tango theme. If you want a little bit more information about Fruit for Thought, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is Crafty10. That'll get you 10% off. If you do month to month, it's $39.95 per box. If you do a 3, a 6, or a 12-month subscription, it does go down. But if you want just month to month, it's $39.95. So what you will get in this box, like what to expect, is you will get a new fruit and sometimes a vegetable theme each month that will have 5 to 7 fun and unusual quality products with an assortment of scents, flavors, and colors reflecting to that theme. Products may include home accessories, jewelry, luxurious bath and body products, stationery, yummy goods, and more. You can also buy a one-time box, non-renewing. Those are $44.99, and you can skip or cancel at any time. So that is everything that I have to show you for this Mango Tango box. I can't wait to see what we're going to have in next month's box. I just love to see how they curate everything together with the different colors, the scents, going with the theme. I just think this is a whole experience in itself, and I like seeing what's in here every month. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think about it? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.